Picking the right 360 action camera is not easy anymore. Some cameras look amazing online, but struggle in low light. Others have great video, but weak battery life. If you love road trips, motorcycle rides, hiking, skiing, or making travel videos, the wrong camera can ruin great moments fast. You'll find the best option for beginners, travelers, and serious creators. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. Number 5. Insta360X3 360 Action Camera. The Insta360X3 is still one of the most fun action cameras for casual creators. It combines smooth 360 footage with a very simple setup. The touchscreen feels quick and easy to use, even during outdoor trips. One thing to know is that low light performance is not the best compared to newer models. Night clips can look soft and grainy. Still, for travel videos and social media content, it performs very well. AI editing inside the app also saves time for beginners who want fast edits without much work. Number 4. Insta360X5 8K 360 Action Camera. The Insta360X5 feels like a major step forward for creators who care about detail and low light quality. Right away, the 8K footage looks cleaner and more realistic than older models. I noticed better colors and stronger contrast during sunset shots and indoor clips. For people who record road trips, city walks, or winter sports, this camera gives a more polished look. One of the best upgrades is the improved low-light performance. Triple AI chip design helps reduce noise and keeps night footage sharper. This makes a huge difference for creators filming concerts, downtown streets, or evening travel videos in the United States. Battery life is also stronger than many smaller action cameras, which is useful during long outdoor shoots. Replaceable lens design adds peace of mind because action cameras can easily get scratched during biking or skiing trips. The camera still keeps the smooth Insta360 experience people like. Built-in wind guard improves audio quality during fast rides and windy conditions. The only downside is the higher price. Casual users may not need all this power. Still, for serious creators who want premium video quality, the X5 is one of the strongest options available right now. Number 3. Alamoy 4K Mini Body Action Camera. The Alamoy Mini Body Camera is a smart choice for people who want something small, affordable, and easy to carry. This camera feels very different from larger 360 cameras. It is lightweight and simple to wear during hiking, cycling, or daily activities. I think this model works best for casual users who care more about portability than advanced cinematic video. The 4K recording quality looks solid for price. During daylight, videos stay clear and detailed enough for social media clips and travel memories. 6-axis electronic image stabilization helps reduce shaky footage while walking or riding. The magnetic body design is also very useful. Magnetic wearable design makes it easy to attach the camera to clothing, bags, or helmets without much setup. I also like that it includes built-in Wi-Fi support for fast sharing. Wide-angle lens captures more scenery during outdoor trips, which works well for biking trails and skiing videos. The biggest limitation is low light quality. Videos can lose detail at night or indoors. Audio quality is also average compared to premium cameras. Still, for budget buyers who want a simple wearable action camera, this is a very practical option. Number 2. Insta360X4 Air 8K Camera. The Insta360X4 Air is a strong choice for people who want high-quality video without carrying a heavy camera. At only 165 grams, it feels very light during travel and outdoor use. I think this camera fits creators who vlog often or spend long hours filming on the move. The 8K recording looks crisp and detailed, especially during daytime shooting. Family trips, hiking trails, and motorcycle rides all look immersive with a 360 capture. Lightweight portable design makes the camera easy to carry in a pocket or small bag. The invisible selfie stick effect also creates smooth third-person shots that look professional without extra gear. Battery life is decent, but heavy 8K recording can drain power faster than expected. Low light quality is better than older models, but still not perfect. Even so, for travelers and active creators who want portability and strong video quality, the X4 Air is a great balance. Number 1. DJI Osmo 360 Essential Combo Best Pick. The DJI Osmo 360 Essential Combo stands out because it balances image quality, battery life, ease of use, and overall value better than the others. Right away, the 1-inch imaging system gives footage a richer and more cinematic look. Colors feel natural, and low light scenes hold much more detail compared to many smaller action cameras. For people who shoot road trips, mountain rides, or city videos at night, this camera feels more dependable. The native 8K recording looks excellent. Wide landscapes, beaches, forests, and travel shots all appear sharp and immersive. 1-inch 360 imaging is the biggest reason this model ranks first. It captures cleaner shadows and stronger highlights during sunrise and evening scenes. I also like the smoother slow motion options for action clips. 4K 120 frames per second video helps create detailed motion shots for biking, skiing, and sports content. The camera is not the cheapest option, but the balance of premium quality, stability, and ease of use makes it the best overall pick for most users. Whether you are a beginner or experienced creator, this camera delivers reliable results in almost every situation. Hashtag final verdict. The DJI Osmo 360 Essential Combo is the best overall pick because it delivers excellent video quality, stronger low-light performance, long battery life, and a very smooth user experience. It is a great fit for travel creators, outdoor sports fans, and anyone who wants premium 360 footage without extra hassle. The Insta 360X 4 Air is another strong choice. It is compact, easy to carry, and still captures impressive 8K video. Check the links in the description for the latest prices, bundle deals, and more details on each camera before making your final choice.